I'm sure you'll hear it here. I may follow him for that very purpose, honestly. Testing out the DJI mic too, so hopefully there's audio once I, figure out this video. We'll find out, hopefully.
What's up, y'all? So, did a poker run this past weekend. I believe it was May 31st, and originally taking a bunch of video of the ride and the run and the folks and everything like that. Which after what happened, I originally planned on just kind of throwing all the footage in the trash and forgetting about it. But long story short, near the end of the run, somebody in the group was involved in an accident and lost their life on the scene. I had been asked by one of the folks that was there, who I knew beforehand, if I would go ahead of the group, kind of around an S-turn sort of thing, and film kind of a flyby of the group coming through, which I did, and unfortunately that kind of gave me a front row seat for what happened. I've seen people go down, I've seen accidents, seen plenty of stuff, on YouTube, on the internet, whatever, of crashes, but this was the first time for me to see something that bad in person, kind of right front row. So I just figured I'd chop up a little bit of this footage and kind of walk through a little bit of what happened. No specifics, anything like that. But I've been talking with the writer that was involved. Been talking with his wife and his brother, and I kind of wanted to use it as a testament to the community as a whole, and then specifically support bikers, which I'll put a link below, between our Support Bikers Arkansas group and the sort of leadership involved with Support Bikers, that folks kind of sprang into action in terms of helping out his wife, getting them all the information that we could, working with police, everything, and as tragic as it is really cool to see people who are basically strangers, but share a passion for motorcycle riding to come together as much as possible and help out when something like this happens. So really, this is just a sort of testament to sort of the aftermath in the past few days, seeing folks in the Support Bikers organization, Support Bikers Arkansas, the handful of folks that were there with me on the scene, helping out. And just really want to shout all those folks out, shout the community out for being willing to step in when tragedy does strike. So that's all. Like I say, nothing specific, nothing crazy. I just thought that it would be a good opportunity to highlight kind of folks coming together when, frankly, as Sonny and Angie, the Badgers, would say, when shit happens. So y'all stay safe out there. Hope everyone is having a good beginning of the summer, end of spring. Weather's getting great and there's lots of stuff going on, but just remember to ride as safely as you can and help out your brothers and sisters when they're in need. That's all, y'all. Thanks for watching.
Trying to do we've left the barn, mule barn, whatever, and we are trying to do a flyby